Now, in constructive interference and destructive interference, the most important condition is when the path difference in between the two waves is even multiple of lambda by 2, then we get the constructive interference pattern. And for destructive interference pattern, when the path difference is odd multiple of lambda by 2, we get the destructive interference pattern. What is the difference between path and phase? When wave travel from its mean position means 0 to complete one oscillation or one vibration, it covers a distance. That distance is linear quantity. Distance is measured in linear quantity, that is known as path. And when it is known in angular quantity, it is measured in angular form, then it is known as phase. What is the difference between phase and path? Path is the linear quantity. Path is linear quantity. It can be measured from 0 to lambda. And phase is the angular quantity. Therefore, phase is measured in 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, next 3 pi by 2, pi, pi by 2 up to 0. Therefore, the complete one vibration or one oscillation the wave covers in angular form is known as phase, and in the linear quantity measured, therefore it is known as path. Suppose the two waves are interfere with each other, the modification of energy, P point is bright point and P point is dark point. When crest of one waveform falls on the crest of other waveform, we get when the P point is bright point. And for next condition, crest of one waveform falls on the trough of the other waveform, we get the minimum intensity point. Intensity is minimum. At that time, P point is a dark point. Therefore, at the P point, intensity is maximum. Otherwise, it is minimum. That is, the modification of intensity is known as interference. And for constructive interference pattern, that by using phase angle is measured, then the constructive or destructive interference pattern, when the two waves are in phase, then the constructive interference pattern, crest, trough, falls on each other, we get the constructive interference pattern. And when the crest and trough of the other waveform falls on each other, we get the destructive interference pattern. Therefore, the phase difference and path difference in between them, the condition for constructive interference pattern. Constructive interference is even path difference is even multiple of lambda by 2, means twice n into lambda by 2. And for destructive interference pattern, path difference is odd multiple of lambda by 2, means twice n plus 1 lambda by 2, odd multiple of lambda by 2. That pattern is for even multiple of lambda by 2, constructive interference, and at the time path difference is odd multiple of lambda by 2, then destructive interference is obtained. This is the required condition for constructive and destructive interference pattern. Now we see the analytical treatment for the steady interference pattern is obtained and the P point is either bright or dark point. Therefore, the analytical treatment of the two waves are superimposed to each other, then we get the interference pattern. And how to calculate the path difference in between them?